Dude, I don't know how long these were sitting outside, but they were in the most obscure location and the labels were faded by the time I saw them. And it was just like kind of happenstance that I ran across them. So I'm gonna get into some packages today, but before I do, hi, hello, I'm CourtneyQuarantine. I'm a full-time content creator, variety streamer, makeup artist. And today I'm gonna talk about some makeup and use some things and just kind of unbox some stuff that I'm pretty excited about while I kind of just yap and hang out. You know the drill, it's pretty casual here. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. And if you wanna check out any of my other work, it will be linked in the description down below. I am a variety streamer. I do mainly indie horror games, but I do have fun things like Minecraft events and I do cooking streams every once in a while. I've done an IRL stream, which I was absolutely obsessed with that. Oh my God, that was so fun. So like truly variety. If you want to check out any of my other stuff like my Instagram, it will also be linked, but that is all under CourtneyQuarantine. And if you are returning, hey bestie, hey, thank you so much for being here. It really means a lot. Half Magic, I'm so sorry, but these were sitting outside for so long and I don't know why the mail decided to put them where they put them, but it was a very weird location. Either way, I'm so glad that both of these are in my possession today. As you can see, this is the new like tubing mascara. Nope, that's the lip gloss one. This is the lip gloss one. This is the tubing mascara one. Yes. And I'm freaking stoked because there was a good while that all the mascara that I was wearing was the tubing, like the first 3 that they came out with, that urchin one. I wore that every single day. That is such a good tubing mascara. So I'm very excited to see this because I know this is something that I'm going to use. I already have mascara on today, but let's open this and see what is inside. Oh my God. Oh, you know, I love the photos, the info, the little handwritten note. Cute. I'm stoked. Urchin, yes, Urchin was the one that I wore literally all the time. Urchin, Indie Gorgeous, and Bombshell. Oh my God, is Bombshell freaking brown? Electrifying length and definition with every swipe. Ooh. 12-hour wear, raccoon eye proof, pearlescent finish, ophthalmologist tested. Love that. Safe for even the most sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. That's me, dude. We love to see it. Electric Extreme Lengthening Mascara. 2 new shades, Bombshell and Indie Gorgeous. Indie Gorgeous? Like indigo, but Indie Gorgeous. That it? Courtney. Hot girl lashes have entered the chat. Introducing Indie Gorgeous and new Bombshell. 2 new shades of our electrifying extreme lengthening mascara created for everyday wear that still makes a statement. This is a tubing mascara of your dreams. 12-hour wears, electrifying length that won't budge, flake, or quit. The same cult favorite formula with more ways to match your mood. XX the Half Magic Team. Half Magic Team, thank you so much. I literally cannot wait to try these. And also, might I just add that I'm so thankful that there's an urchin in here. That is one of my favorite mascaras, dude. Oh my God. Especially on the lower lash line. Like, oh. Like I said, I do already have mascara on. If you do want to see any of these, let me know. I'll probably be using them either way, but in case there's something that you want to see like immediately, let me know. But I also just feel like I'm really gonna like the brown. But I'm telling you, urchin, seriously, you've probably heard me talk about urchin and you've seen so many looks with urchin in it, particularly like what time was that? I don't really remember when that was, but been wearing it a ton. Now this is the lip gloss one. Ooh, dude, the way, ooh, yeah. Oh, that looks good. Magic Drip Glitter Lip Gloss is back with 2 new shades, Blushing Lizard and No Fuchsia. F-U-X. That's funny. A sparkling rich fuchsia that delivers a rosy pink pop, and the eyeshadow that broke the internet now in a gloss. Bro. Oh my God. Non-sticky, non-tacky. Also, I have to say, I love this. I love that picture. That is satisfying to me. A smooth, rich texture that cocoons the lip with moisture. Multi-dimensional sparkle. Packed with light-catching multi-chrome pearls. Versatile looks. Pair with your favorite lip liner or top lip looks. Top off lip looks. Okay. Yeah, absolutely. Oh, nice, dude. Oh my God, wait, this is so nice. Oh my God, Half Magic, thank you so much. A Frosty Beach. I have this one and I have Y2K Cherub somewhere, but those were 2 glosses that I used so much. And then when I took them out, I don't know where they went. Blushing Lizard and then the Fuchsia. Girl, look at that. That's hot pink, but this Blushing Lizard shade, yeah. Need to try that immediately, actually. Let's just see how bright the pink one looks. I'm so happy to have another set of those glosses though, because I was wearing those a lot. This one ripped already? Did someone freaking open this? Oh my Lord. I don't know about all that. That's that's a bit much. That's a bit much for me. Okay, Blushing Lizard though, I need to use immediately. I need to use this immediately. Oh, sweet heavens. Oh, sweet heavens above. Look at how cool that is. Yeah, I need to try that immediately. I think I have a little bit of remaining, like, I was wearing it as a lip liner, but it is a liquid lip. Is there no scent? I don't think these have a scent. Why does this look used? Low key. Oh well. Do you see how there's like a rusty kind of base with that green on top? Does it smell like vanilla? Literally don't know. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Holy crap. Oh wow. Oh wow. Wait, it does kind of like technically kind of lock-ish closed. So the packaging is like this plastic and then you just kind of like, it's not really a lock close, but it's kind of a lock close. So I do appreciate that. How much are these? $22.50. Interesting. Wait, that is actually very hot lip vibes. Usually I'm not into like a rose kind of lip, but I think with the blue and green that's kind of happening, that shift, that looks really cute. I don't hate that alone either. Let me add some black lip liner. You knew that was gonna happen. Plus I have a new villain, so it's like gigantic. Uh-huh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Here's my thing with these glosses. I feel like they actually wear for pretty long. They're stickier, like they still kind of have that balm kind of feel, and they're shiny. They're not like super crazy like glass gloss shiny, but they're shiny, shimmery, like hot lip kind of vibe. At least in the times that I've worn them, like when I was wearing Frosty Beach. Oh my god. Oh my god. Actually, let me just show you that one. This shade is insane, and it's so like it's so gorgeous, dude. Like this one. Oh, sweet Lord. Have loved this one for a while. Y2K Cherub is like pinky cute, but let me see too. Hold on. Should I try on the hot pink one? Maybe. Yeah, like Y2K Cherub is very like bubblegum pink, like double bubble, but lighter. It's super cute. It's super cute. I swear this one, I didn't buy like too long ago. It's gotta be somewhere nearby, right? Maybe? And then, I don't know, that pink one's kind of intense. And this looks so good. I really, I don't know, dude. I don't know what's going on. And again, I think I've said this a couple times lately where I'm like, wait, what? I'm liking this kind of like warm rosy kind of look on my lips, which is not typical for me. I usually do not like warm tones. However, I have always really loved like a terracotta kind of like warm tone brown lipstick and like terracotta tones. It has to be very specific. I really love to wear, but I'm incredibly picky with them. So like there used to be some like lip liners and some other random stuff that I would wear just kind of like as an all over lip that were like kind of a more like brick, but it was like a more subdued brick, and they were, god, they were so good. They were so good. A lot of those are like brands that I don't use anymore, or honestly lips that don't exist anymore, which is kind of a bummer. But even like M171 is like, that's like my hot lip. It looks so mocha. It has like a good amount of gray in it, but on me it does kind of look like that kind of vibe. It's like my hot lip, but this kind of like, see how there's, okay, also by the way, the longer I wear this, I feel like the better it looks, particularly with the other two that I've had in the past. That's something I noticed too. Like it feels like it really wears into the lips instead of just like sitting on top of the lips. Now sometimes glosses that sit on top of the lips give that like, it looks like your lips are in a bubble of moisture kind of thing, and it looks like glass. But then there's a sitting on top of your lips that it's like sliding all around and getting weird and nasty. I don't like that. I don't like that. But I really like the like shimmery blue green. Ooh, this look so good. Okay, now I'm curious though. I'm gonna open these two mascaras just to see what like the bottle looks like. This is Indie Gorgeous. Good lord. Oh my god. Oh, that does look very cool. Oh, that's gonna look very cool. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Ooh. Urchin is just the black one, but this brown one, I'm pretty sure it's brown, is New Bombshell. And I'm not gonna lie. Oh, I cannot wait. Ooh. Ooh, that is a lovely shade of brown. I love that. Yes. Ooh, immediately yes. Immediately yes, immediately want to wear that. Yeah. That makes me excited to just wear like a wash of like dirty, like I can see already a wash of dirty kind of eyeshadow and then like a ton of that brown mascara. I feel like on the one hand lately I've been a little bit more particular. Like I'm always kind of picky and particular about the makeup that I either buy, wear, use, so on and so forth. But then on the other side of the coin lately, I have been like, oh my god, I want to buy so much makeup. I think I always want to like buy makeup. However, I just have very extreme feelings about like fewer items. Like the way I feel about a couple of new launches coming up is so extreme that I like go to bed and wake up thinking about them. Whereas I think in the past, it was just like, want to buy anything I can to try to da-da-da-da. And I don't necessarily need to do that anymore. And not in a way that's like, I don't need to do that anymore. But like a way that it's like, I feel more selective. And also that's just like financially not like possible. Like it's just not like, I don't know, man. Now I'm so thankful that Half Magic sent these to me because those are all products that I will use up. I would bet all the way down unless I use those lip glosses before I use them all the way down. But lately it's just kind of been one of those things that I feel like less impresses me. And I don't know if it's just because, again, I'm getting a little more like critical, but also I feel like I'm really honing in on like the stuff that I obsess over. And the vast majority of the things that are on the market generally don't suit like the kind of color and like tone and all that stuff that I like. And this is speaking from like a stylistic point of view. So let me go ahead and say that. Like, I think there are things about the industry that I'm like, hey, you need to have foundation shades that are suitable for everyone. You idiot morons. That's not necessarily what I'm talking about. I'm talking about like stylistically choosing makeup for like a non kind of necessity type of thing. Like, even though you could argue that foundation is not a necessity, I would still say in a foundation line, it is a necessity to have shades that suit everyone. Do you know what I'm saying? Okay. Whereas sometimes with like I can walk into a CVS and I would bet that there's not gonna be many lipsticks in there that I would feel like my heart like start to race and me feel like, you know, sparkly eyes about, because usually there's not a lot of gray in there. And if there is, it's probably limited edition or someone's already swatched it and took the lipstick out of the tube, bit it, and then put it back. But yeah, I just want to know what y'all's thoughts are on just like purchasing makeup right now and beauty. It's one of those things that I think makeup and these items really are a luxury, but it is also one of those things that, you know, us as humans, since we've had cosmetic type of things, we will always have cosmetic type of things. So yeah, I feel like sometimes I'm like, wow, I'm so critical, or like, oh, I'm a little skeptical, or I'm a little intense in that. And it's like, well, honestly, I think I have every right to be that way. So anyway, I think this is stunning. I think this Blushing Lizard lip gloss shade is so good. It is so like, I want to put it in different lip combos. I want to put it with different lip liners. I think it is very hot. It is very like hot, like a hot kind of lip. You know what I mean? Yeah. And also it's just like really pleasing to look at in this. So that's another thing. Like it, yeah, aesthetically, I do enjoy this. Absolutely. But anyway, Half Magic, thank you so much again. I cannot wait to get into the rest of those. I'm a little about the pink one, but I do kind of want to try it because I'm like, yeah, I would probably not choose that. But also, I don't know. I might need to try it out. Anywho, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing and joining me here. I know this was a cute little short video, but I hope that you enjoyed it nonetheless. Also, please, if you want to give this video a like, give it a thumbs up and comment something down below. Maybe something out of that you would like to see the most, or like I always say, like something maybe that you're excited about, or maybe a concert you're gonna go see. Maybe some new music that you've listened to recently that you've been really enjoying. Let me know. And as always, thanks for being here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.